Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a Coinbase account. Let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app. We're creating a new account, so tap on Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information. Enter your email address and then type the email security code. After that, add a new password. Next, add your first name, last name, and phone number. After adding your phone number, type the verification code. After that, select or type some basic information. After completing the form, Coinbase requires you to verify your identity. Complete identity verification. Have a government-issued photo ID ready, such as a driver's license, ID card, or passport. Select your ID type, take a clear photo, and upload it. Coinbase usually processes these verifications quickly, so you'll be ready to trade in no time. Wait for a few minutes to complete verification. That's it. Your Coinbase account is now set up, secure, and ready for action. You can add funds, explore cryptocurrencies, and start your investing journey right away. If this video helped you set up your Coinbase account, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.